Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zelle on Navy Federal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are having issues with Zelle with Navy Federal Credit Union, there are several troubleshooting steps. So the first is ensure you are enrolled in Zelle. Enrollment is required to use Zelle through Navy Federal mobile app or online banking. If you are not fully enrolled, Zelle won't work. Make sure to complete the enrollment process and verify your email or phone number. Update Navy Federal mobile app. Make sure that your Navy Federal mobile app is up to date. Older versions of the app may have bugs and lack support for Zelle features. Number 3 is verify your account and payment details. Double check that account you're using with Zelle is linked properly and eligible for Zelle transfers. Make sure you're sending money to a valid email address or phone number registered with Zelle. Check for Zelle limits. Zelle has transfer limits depending on your account or transaction history with Navy Federal. Navy Federal limits for Zelle is $3,000 per day. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor or unstable internet connection can cause issues while using Zelle. Ensure you have strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection before attempting Zelle transactions. Check for alert or account holds. Navy Federal may place holds or restrictions on your account for security reasons. This could include suspicious activity or exceeding certain transaction limits. You can contact Navy Federal Customer Service to check if any holds are affecting your Zelle transactions. Use a different device. If you are experiencing issues with Zelle on your mobile device, try accessing Zelle from Navy Federal's online banking portal on a computer. This can help determine if the issue is related to your app or your account. Re-enrolling in Zelle. Sometimes re-enrolling in Zelle can resolve account linking issues. Then contact Navy Federal Customer Support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Navy Federal's Customer Support for assistance. You can reach Navy Federal Credit Union at the given number, or the next step you can do is contact Zelle support as well. If Navy Federal support is unavailable to resolve the issue, you can also reach out to Zelle's Customer Support for help. Check Zelle's status for outages. If possible that Zelle couldn't be down for maintenance or experiencing technical difficulties, check Navy Federal or Zelle social media pages or website for any updates or outages. And that's basically what you can do in order to fix Zelle on Navy Federal. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.